Here is the 1930s Century 1/3 horsepower motor. Century made them. The tag on the top, Philadelphia Steam Heating Company used their motor on some of their equipment, but this has nothing to do with the manufacturer. This is probably one of the best well-known electric motors in the United States. They still have these motors being used today, but got it taken apart, cleaned it inside and out, made sure that the wiring was okay, and got it put back together last night. You see, it's vented real well for cooling, even though there's no fans on it like you see fans on new electric motors. But Brian France was right. Let me do this. The motor starts out as an old-fashioned brush motor, and that's where you saw all the sparks, and it has weights like a governor at the front. When it gets to a certain speed, the weight's centrifugal force pushes them out, and it pulls the brushes back, and then the motor is an induction motor till you get ready to turn it off. Here we go. But you can see it switched a lot faster now that the insides have been cleaned all out, all the grease cut off out from around it. It turns a lot smoother, so it doesn't spark as long. I'm using Marvel Mystery Oil to go in these little oiling pots. There's on the front and the back to keep the shaft oiled. But now that I got the motor in good shape, it'll be time to take the scroll saw apart, and it's all very, very heavy. You'd think a 1/3 horsepower motor wouldn't weigh that much, but that motor weighs, I'd say, 35, 40 pounds. But hope you're having a good day, and on to the rest of the project.